Hello, this is Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn how you can make money online by typing names. How cool is that? You don't need an experience, you don't need technical knowledge, you don't need website, you don't need anything. And you can make money typing names from anywhere on the planet. It can be from Bangladesh, can be from Pakistan, can be from India, can be from China. I don't know about China though, but you can be from anywhere in the world if you have full access to internet and a computer, and that is it. Now, this is what people have been telling you on the internet and YouTube. And I have seen this kind of video earn $450 plus typing names, $30 per page. And the interesting part here is they're telling you the exact same story, the same steps. Now, in this video, we're going to go through the same steps, show you what they are showing you, and at the same time, we will show you whether it really works or not, whether it is a sustainable income stream or not. Because there is one thing, if you make $30 per page today and tomorrow you cannot make money, is this a sustainable income online? Do you want to do something that works today and won't work tomorrow? Or do you want to do something that you can do for a long time and keep making money for a long time? The second one, right? You want to do the same thing over and over and make money over and over. How to do that? Well, how can I tell you this? I have a 7-figure per year software company. This company builds softwares that help people solve problems. Many different kind of problems, mostly about making money online. I can go on and on because I have a lot of softwares. A couple of softwares are in the link in the description. They will solve big problems. We will come to that. You can take them for free later. Now, let's stick to this video and finish helping you make money typing names. Now, if you go through these videos, chances are you will get lost because they say the same thing. They learn from one and the other YouTubers say the exact same thing. And in a lot of cases, even their scripts are the same. Maybe they are the same company running multiple channels. I cannot judge them. But what I can say is that there is only one way to make money online. Before you start learning something and implementing it, putting your work in it and start making money and make money continuously, gradually improve and take yourself to $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day, which is easy, $100 per hour to $500 per hour. Now, this sounds like big numbers, but they are not if you understand one thing. And that one thing is the way to make money online is to solve people's problem. You need to solve problems of either a lot of people paying little amount of money or small amount of people paying a lot amount of money. Now, about names. Names are very important for business owners because they continuously need new names for their clients and for themselves, for their new projects, for their new books, for their new companies. They are high paying clients and that's how you make money. But is this the way to make money? We will come to that. Well, in these videos, they show the exact same steps and I will tell you in short so you don't waste time hearing the same thing that you might already heard from other videos. The steps are you first go to this website called talentdesire.com and you sign up using a signing up process is complicated, so they take a long time showing you how to sign up. Well, these kind of websites should be absolutely easy to sign up. Now go to login and check whether you can create an account or not. Yes, no, try to register here. Click for register, get started, okay? And you see explore current opportunities. Click here and then you see online typing jobs. All right, awesome. So online typing jobs. All right, now here are the online proofreading jobs, paid survey jobs, affiliate marketing jobs, okay, freelance blogging jobs. I do understand. This is also kind of typing because blogging needs a lot of writing. Affiliate marketing needs a lot of writing when it comes to writing blog posts or social media content or email marketing. Paid survey jobs, we know survey jobs, they're different. Survey jobs are basically clicks, not typing, but maybe they have some typing as well. But online proofreading job, this is interesting. Somebody writes, you read it and you proofread their mistakes. And you can earn up to $9,450 to $33,750 or more per year. Guaranteed work, you should expect to get minimum work of $787 per month. And these are the level, okay? Beginner level, 0.035, earning simulator, and they have an earning simulator. You can simulate your earning using a calculator. So this is your calculate per page earning. Let's say 0.035, then 100 words in a page will make you $3.50. 300 words will pay you $10. Not bad at all. Now let's go to 0.50. Well, 300 words will pay you 15 words. 1000 words should be less than or equal to, so per page it should be less than or equal to 300. So per page you are going to earn $15. It's not bad at all, right? Because I'm here to solve your problem. I'm not gonna ask you to actually type. I'll show you. You don't really need to type. Stick to the end of the video because I have a lot to share. It's from my experience. And if you feel a lot of information here, go back and watch this video again. This is amazing. By the way, if you want us to make more and more videos like this that will help you make money online, give away our premium softwares free for our viewers, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you help them learn how to make money online the easy way. Let's begin. Now, honestly, it's really not easy to find out where to start. So go click start here and then click apply for a job and then go to select an application form. Now, online application form, then you should read everything, okay? And you will not find where to go. Then here is the link. Fill in your details to apply and work with us. Click accept here. Put your first name, last name, email, contact number, resident country, zip code, preferred job title, your availability, and how you want to get paid. PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, Skrill. Now, why this is good? Because a lot of cases, PayPal is the only option and a lot of countries don't accept PayPal. So you can use the other option if you have any limitation. Then select your current professional status. You can do self-employed and click I have read and use your signature, and then click I am not a robot and click submit. Your application will be submitted. Now here is an important thing. Once you go deep inside, you sign up. Okay, after signing up, what they show you, you have to go to a website called ratatype.com, RATATYPE.com, because you have to take a typing test, and this typing test will give you a certificate. And this certificate can be downloaded or can be printed, and this certificate will help you get a better job or better payout. Possible, but in my opinion, there are other websites as well that you can take certificates from, such as a typingtest.com. Super simple, you can practice, you can start your test, and once you get your test done, in 5 minutes, your certificate will be here and it will show your typing speed, your accuracy, and your net speed. Now, if you ask me, ratatype.com has 1 million monthly visitors and Typing Test has 3.6 million monthly visitors. Typingtest.com is far better and more popular and more known than ratatype.com. I don't know why everybody shows you the same thing. They don't need to. Here, what you need is the actual typing skill. But I am here to tell you that you don't even need to type. You never need to type. All you need is a software that takes your speech and turn it into text. Example, otter.ai. Link in the description. I will drop a link and you can get Otter from there. Logging in is super easy. You can use your Google account, Microsoft account, or Apple account, or you can start with your email sign in or create account. Same system. Use your Google, Microsoft, Apple, and one click you can get in. I'm going to sign in. It's a free account and per month they give me 600 minutes, 100% free. Now let me show you how it works. I will click record and now the software is recording. Did you see that? Whatever I am saying here, this software is automatically turning it into text. Am I typing? No, my hands are free. Do you really need to type? No, you don't. But in case you want to type, you want to learn how to type, that would be one of the best skill that you can possibly learn. You see, we have only 3 things on our computer: a mouse, a keyboard, and a monitor or a display. We all should learn how to use all these 3 tools. And keyboard can make you money if you learn typing. And honestly, most of the people I know who make a lot of money online, they know good typing. But again, do you really need it? Answer is no, you don't need it. Once you are done, click here. Not only it will transcribe your voice into text, but also it will record your voice that you can hear later. Once it's done, it will send you an email. You'll get an email notification. So whatever, there is a typing job, you can type it here. You can use the import button, and for each free account, you can transcribe an audio file or a video file directly through this software. Just Google and you will find a lot more applications that do the job even better than this one. I like this one because I have a habit using it. Now, after applying for an account, I haven't received any link or email from them, and it's not automatic, so I couldn't get in and look for a naming job. But as I promised you, I will show you how to make money for naming. I want to give you the real reason why people need names. So Google, use your best friend Google, how companies are named. You'll find valuable information about naming and branding. Then you can search for why companies need names, or you can search for why companies run naming contests. Talking about naming contests, here is how you actually can make money from naming. Google naming contest and you will see a website called squadhelp.com and some other websites. I know about squadhelp.com. It's a very popular one, and you will find contests that will pay you good amount of money if you win. So this one, logo for a tech startup. They will give you requirements. This invitation only logo design contest is seeking logo design ideas for. The contest is only open to Tier A creatives. Here is how you can become a Tier A creative. If you win, you'll get $600. $600 for a logo, not bad at all. Logo for Zimplay, $500. This is an invitation only, and of course, they want Tier A. So becoming a Tier A creative is great. How to become a Tier A creative? Method 1, if you have won at least one contest during the last 6 months and your percentile score is 80% or above. Method 2, if you have won at least 3 contests during the last 6 months and your percentile score is 60% and above. Method 3, if you have been with Squad Help for at least 30 days and your percentile score is 85% or above. Method 4, if you have received 20 or more lifetime wins at Squad Help. So there are 4 methods how you can become Tier A. Now, becoming a Tier A can be a career where you can make $500, $600, $300. View all contests. There are 217 current open contests. All of these are paying minimum $300. Imagine how much money potentially you can make from one logo. You have to run for the contest. Once you win the contest, you make the money. Now, to become Tier A creative, you need either of 2 skills. Either you need a design idea or learning how to design. Very easy, go to Google and start learning. Simple as that. There is nothing complex. And trust me, there is no shortcut. In fact, this is the best shortcut. And once you learn building or making logos, Fiverr.com and other freelancing websites can make you thousands of dollars per day. You can have as many type of gigs as you want on Fiverr. This gig got 4.9 rating from 1267 customers. Approximately 5% people came back and left a rating. So times 20 is the number of sales, which is 25,340. Approximately the average price is $215 times 215. Wow, that's a $5.4 million earned from this gig. How cool is that? So learning a skill like logo design and typing could be extremely valuable. Another one, when you learn typing or speaking and transcribing, whatever you do, writing skill can be extremely rewarding. Go to Fiverr and type for write. And you see so many type of writing gigs. Writing script, writing article, writing stories, writing books, writing unlimited type of writing gigs. All you need is to start typing today. So whether talentdesire.com really pays you for typing names or not, once you learn these two skills, like a little bit of logo design and graphic design, and a little bit of using your keyboard, or at least learn how to use softwares or turn your or any other voice into text. Now, once you start writing and start designing, you can turn them into videos and get views, traffic, just like us. We are currently getting around 1,000 views per day from YouTube right at the moment while making this video. You can also use Pinterest and Facebook and get a lot of traffic. Link in the description will give you our premium software that will help you get traffic completely free and easily. Those softwares are free for you, go get them. And if you like our video, if this video was educational, helpful, and informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so everybody else learns how to make money online and how easy it is to make money online, what exactly they should do to start making thousands of dollars per day. And they will love you for sharing this information. So go use the share button, and we will see you in the next video.